Greetings, this is Mike from Pinball Help here, and today I'm going to demo this custom modified 1979 Bally Paragon pinball machine. This is using the BSOS Bally Stern OS system, where you take an Arduino and you interface it into the MPU board, and this is going to be demoing complete reprogramming that I did, as well as a whole new sound package. So I took the traditional Bally Paragon, which had all the bleeps and bloops, and I rewrote the rule set, and I also added completely all new CD quality sound. Every little sound has been completely custom recorded, and I'm going to demo it. I've been working on it now for a while, and I think it's getting close to being a point where I can release it. I'm going to talk with the artist that I've got. I'm using the music. This game has music in it that I've actually gotten permission from a local artist, Russell Batiste. He's played with the Funky Meters and a bunch of other bands, just an amazing drummer, and he's got this prog rock band that's killer. You may have known his, a relative of his, Jon Batiste, who is the musical director for the Late Show with Stephen Colbert. So there's a lot of really cool talent down here in New Orleans, and so I thought, you know, rather than just snag some stuff, I'm gonna get some local artists I've been working with to actually contribute, and they were really excited about this. So this is an all new sound package and a completely rewritten rule set that follows the original rule set but adds a bunch of extra features. So I'm going to demo this and show you basically what we've got now. So let's fire it up and see what we got. So what I did with Paragon,
Who approaches the Paragon?
is this is one of the Bally games from the era that's really well regarded and highly loved. So it's not one that I really felt like I needed to completely redo everything. The rule set and the game is pretty balanced. So what I wanted to do was just emulate the existing rule set on the Arduino and add some extra features to make it a little bit more fun, and of course switch out the sound package. So that's what I've done here. The original rule set for Paragon is still in this new version. Every single aspect of it, you know, the bonus, the scoring, how many points it is for everything, is still all original, but I've added a few extra features. I've added an extra mode called Beast Mode, where you have to shoot the beast. I've also added a few extra scoring features. There's a skill shot, and there's a ball save, and some other stuff. So I'm going to demo some of the extra features in the game, aside from the fact that it's all new music and it's all cool CD quality custom done music. So let's start it up and get the game real quick. First, you'll notice the track mode is completely different from the original, and the original had just bleeps and bloops, you know, analog old style sound. So this is using CD quality custom done sound. So let's start up a game. First thing you're going to notice is there's a skill shot now.
Welcome to the arena.
So you'll see the 20,000 will blink for a second, and then the special will blink for a second. If you get the ball in the holes when it's blinking, you'll get a skill shot. But you can't hit any other switch. So there's a switch here, there's a switch here, and there's a switch here. So it's a lot trickier than you think, because as soon as you hit a switch, that's it, skill shot turned off. So that's one of the first things. You can get 20,000 or a special if you actually do it. You'll notice, I'll explain, the right drop targets have some special features added to them too. There's also a ball save now on the game. But let's go over some of the sounds, because every sound is different. And now the call-outs up here actually tell you how much points you got.
2,000.
P,
And it actually says the letters,
A,
see, and
4,000.
the stand-ups. So these are all sounds that I recorded in different ways. Actually was hitting big iron bars with mallets, and these are like liquor bottles.
Beast mode qualified. Hit the center stand up to hunt the beast.
So what I've done here is I've qualified a special feature called Beast Mode, and you'll see this G is blinking. So when you knock the drop targets down, you qualify Beast Mode, and if I hit this, I will start Beast Mode. And what this is an added feature that has a roving random shot around the play field, and it stays for anywhere from 4 seconds or more or less, and moves around. So if you're able to get it, you nail the beast. So let's start the mode, and so it starts off right there, and then it's over here now, and then it's over here, and it moves randomly. And if you get it, you'll hear a knock of the special. Let's see.
Beast has been dispatched. 6 now.
So I got it there, and the beast reward I think is starts off with 10,000 plus. There's a certain amount of points for every pop bumper or slingshot hit, so it varies a lot. And then every time the beast bumper here is hit, I think it adds 500 points or something. I have to look at my scoring. But so the jackpot goes up the longer you play, and if you drop down multiple drop target banks, that'll also double, triple the reward. So if you do that before you start the mode, you can pre-qualify it. The mode will also carry over on subsequent balls as long as you don't start it. So if you qualify the mode, the G will be lit on the next ball if you don't start the mode. But if you start the mode and you miss it, you're out. You'll also see these drop targets here. If you hit them in a certain order, you'll get twice the points. So right now it's 15,000 for knocking them down. And you'll see it's blinking. So if I knock one down and I knock another one down, see now it's not blinking anymore? I didn't hit them in order. So that double bonus is no longer qualifies. So if I knock this third one down, it'll give me 15,000. But had I done them in the right order, from bottom, middle, top, it would have given me double that. And the thing will blink just to show you that. So that's
Beast mode qualified. Hit the center, stand up to
started the beast mode again. So let's start it. Here it is.
Flashing shot.
Beast has been dispatched.
So that's not actually easy to do that. I made it look easy, but it's definitely not. So, and all the sounds in the game are just, it's me making noises. This is a box of quarters being dropped.
2x.
Oh no, 2x and then 3x, but these first two are sounds of change. This is flapping bird wings. Waterfall sound. Little knife sounds, sword sounds, and stuff like that. And then I wanted to add one old school chime, so I did that. So you'll notice all of the countdown sounds are all different and everything too.
8,000.
So this game is notoriously hard.
P.
There's a skill shot too that we missed. So, and there's a match mode and all that. So you'll notice that after you finish a game, there'll be a sound effect that plays based on the high score, and there's different areas of how much you score, whether the game will compliment you or put you down. And so there's literally over 300, I think, different sound effects that have been incorporated into this. And I scripted some of them, and then some of them I just had people on the microphone say, look, tell me what you would say if somebody plays a really good game. Or tell me what you would say if somebody plays a really crappy game. So there's all different kinds of sound effects in here from all the different people that were helping out on the project. And so it's really turned out to be a lot of fun getting everybody involved in all of that. And I will be releasing this, and when I do, I'll probably also have some instructions on how other people can augment the sound easily. Even if you don't want to, even if you're not into programming, there are ways that you can you can customize this. So that's it really. There's probably some other features and things, but the new sound, there's some new modes. Let me show.
Coins, meat, or coins. No one plays for free.
I just added that today. There's no credits in the. thing.
Loins, meat, or coins, no one plays for free.
That's my parody of gas, grass, or ass. No one rides for free. So yeah, this you'll see that this is obviously kind of a medieval themed game. So I wanted to keep in with the medieval theme, but also add a little bit of lightheartedness to it, kind of like the way Medieval Madness did, where people kind of had some funny one-liners and stuff like that. So that's the thing, not taking it too seriously, but adding music and sound that kind of is a little bit more appropriate with the theme, but also having some fun with it. And the call-outs and everything, and I know the music that played, it was a little bit slower paced, but there's actually some fast-paced rock and stuff in here too. The more I listen to it, the more I like it. I think it actually matches the game quite well, and I hope other people will enjoy it too. And I'll be posting more. If you want to find out more about the process of how this game was developed and all of that, I've got a series of other videos where I talk about getting to the point that I'm at right now. So stay tuned. I'm probably going to be putting some more information out, and I'm going to probably be occasionally doing some live streams with the game, just asking people what they think and adding a little bit more to it. But for the most part, I've got it working, and it's been a lot of fun programming this. And it's very old school, because you're basically just one level below assembly language doing this programming for the Arduino, and there's not a lot of tools and high level things. You have to code everything all yourself. So I'm still making sure every little nook and cranny is accounted for. But the game is playing well, and I'm excited about it, and I hope that you guys will enjoy it. And stay tuned for more. I'll be posting more content. If you have any other questions or anything, just hit me up at mike@pinballhelp.com. And until next time, thanks for watching.